Hello and welcome to my home office, which for this video is going to be doubling as my home gym. Today is September 10th, 2020, the year of the dreaded coronavirus pandemic. The pandemic has caused many gyms to be closed and has made it difficult for people to work out. Fortunately for me, I had a squat rack and a barbell in my backyard before the pandemic started, so the pandemic itself didn't affect my workout routine that much. However, in the past couple weeks, wildfires have spread across California and the West Coast, which has led to smoke-filled skies, hazardous air quality, and finally caused me to move my workouts indoors. Now, the bulk of my indoor workout, as you can see, consists of squats and push-ups. However, I thought it was important to get some pulling exercises as well as add variation to my workouts. So I've been searching online for some ideas to do that. So here's what I came up with. For this setup, I needed the following items. 1, Draper resistance bands. 2, Fitteroy exercise handles. 3, a Yes for All aerobic step platform. And 4, a towel. And the towel is very important, and you'll see why later on. So what I do is I simply attach the handles to the resistance bands and then lay them out underneath the towel and then put the stepper on top. And now this setup allows me to do bent over rows, deadlifts, bench press, and probably a bunch of exercises I haven't thought of yet. So if you think of any, please leave them in the comments below. Now, the reason why the towel is important is because the side of the stepper has a seam on it that will rip the resistance bands. This was a lesson I learned the hard way the first time I did my bent over rows, and it really wrecked the side of my resistance bands, so don't do that.